This is where Bob gets all my little animals for me. We're at Peter's Burger Place in Corona, and he's putting money in for me to have a little animal on my birthday along with my lunch. So we'll see if he can make it. Yes? No? What happened to it? Oh, there it goes. Did it get it? Oh, no!
Can't get that.
No!